How to post on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to post on Likee app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Likee application. Once you are there, click on post at the bottom, which is the video. Now this is your video. You can edit this video. You can add some filters, some subtitle, cover, record, voice record, whatever you want. And once you are done, click on next. And here you can, beside the video, they say want more likes, write a description and use a suitable hashtag, which means describe your video or write something you want. Once you are done, add some hashtag, for example for you page, hashtag for you page, and choose who can see this video, private or everyone, permissions, which mean enable to save others to save this video, or turn off or on enable others to comment on this video. Once you are done with this, click on post. If you don't want to post it right now, just click on draft and post it once you want. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like.